Good morning, students. This is Professor Kiran Poddar, Department of Mathematics, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. Now we are going to discuss an example of finding Laplace transform of the function. The function is e raised to minus 2t into 2 times cos phi t minus sin phi t. Assume if there is no exponential term multiplied to the given function, then it is very easy to obtain a Laplace transform. What we do, we apply Laplace on both sides. Then already we know that what is the Laplace transform of cos phi t and sin phi t. But since this exponential is multiplied, then we have to think some in a different way. What is that different way? Already we are having a shifting property. Okay, I'll write down that. We know that shifting property says if L of f of t is equal to f bar of s, then Laplace transform of e raised to, here it is minus 2at, means minus at into f of t is equal to f bar of s plus a, means the result is going to be advanced with a. Okay, this is the result. When this is the result, then what to do? Let us start with the given example. How to get? If you compare the given example with this e raised to minus 8 into f of t, here a is equal to 2. Okay, no problem. Then f of t is equal to what? That is to be considered. Okay, so consider f of t is equal to, consider f of t is equal to 2 times cos phi t minus sin phi t. Fine. Apply Laplace on both sides. First, we'll come to know when this exponential is multiplied what is going to happen. But before that, I'll be taking only f of t and Laplace transform of this f of t. So apply Laplace on both sides, then it becomes 2 times the Laplace transformation of cos phi t minus Laplace transformation of sin phi t. Okay, therefore L of f of t is equal to 2 times. What is the Laplace transformation of cos phi t? Already it is discussed. So that is nothing but s divided by s square plus phi square. S square plus phi square minus what is the Laplace transformation of sin phi t? That is constant a divided by, means phi divided by s square plus phi square. Fine. S square plus phi square. Therefore this is equal to 2 times means 2s divided by s square plus 25 minus phi divided by s square plus 25, which is equal to, if you take LCM as s square plus 25, then here it is 2s minus 5. What is this now? This is nothing but f bar of s. Now you see the interesting fact that is called as shifting property. This is only L of f of t. Now I am taking L of e raised to minus at into f of t. As per this, what is going to happen now? F bar of s is going to be replaced by f bar of s plus a. Means s is going to be replaced by s plus a. Means the basic function, the result will be advanced with a. Means as soon as exponential is multiplied to the function, this whole result what we obtained, that is 2s minus 5 divided by s square plus 25, which we obtained, where s is going to be replaced by s plus a. That a means the coefficient of t, which is nothing but a power of exponential term, this a is equal to minus 2 here. Therefore s is going to be replaced by s plus 2, which is nothing but replace 2 times s is going to be replaced by s plus 2 minus 5 divided by s is going to be replaced by s plus 2 the whole square plus 25. If you simplify this term, then we obtain the result. What is that? Which is equal to 2s plus 2s plus 4 minus 5 divided by s plus 2 expansion of this a plus b whole square, s square plus 4 plus 4s plus 25, which is equal to 2s minus 1 divided by s square plus 4s 25 plus 4 will be 29. So this is the result. Thank you.